Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're seeing my video. I want to teach us about page review. I discovered some people, especially my fellow content creators, during page review, they think maybe giving a constructive comment, you are doing that particular person a favor, the owner of that page. No, you are doing yourself a favor as well. Listen, page review is not all about you saying, I recommend this page. What are you recommending that page for? Because I've come across some people, they will be like, I recommend this page is good. Follow him or follow her. That is not a constructive comment. What are you recommending that page for? That page has niche. What are they doing? You have to be specific. Example, this page always make people to laugh with their original content. As a comedian, I recommend this page. Have you seen it? You mention what that person is doing and your reason of recommending that page. Not, I recommend this page, follow him. No, let's learn to give a constructive comment. Check that person niche. That is what the person is doing on Facebook. From there, you can know what to say about that particular page that is good, positive one. So I hope this makes sense. Bye-bye.